Hello everyone, in this video I have to explain human wants. First, we know the meaning of consumption. Consumption means satisfaction of human wants by using goods and services. It is just the opposite of production because production means creation of utility but consumption means destruction of utility. Then consumption increases production and it is starting and ending for all economic activities. Next, meaning of human wants. Normally, a man is a bundle of desires. Wants means desire for goods. All the desires and aspirations of humans are known as human wants. It is differ from person to person, place to place and time to time. When one want is satisfied, immediately another wants grows up. It is starting points of all our economic activities. Characteristics of human wants. These are the characteristics of human wants. So first one, human wants are unlimited. Wants are increasing day by day. There is a no limit. When one want is satisfied, another wants takes place. For example, a person may want a bicycle, he got it. After sometimes he wants a bike, then a car, etc. Next one, human wants are satiable. Every man cannot satisfy his own wants, but there is a possible to satisfy a particular wants. For example, a hungry person can fulfill his want by eating food. Then human wants are recurring. Wants are appear again and again for a particular time period. For example, everyone feels hungry after few hours of taking food. Then human wants are competitive with one another. Human wants are unlimited, but we have limited means. So we cannot satisfy all our human wants. So the most urgent wants can satisfy first. Then human wants are complementary. Human wants are normally complementary. One want leads to the desire for another one. For example, you want to buy a car can be satisfied only when we fulfill the wants for petrol also. Next one, human wants are alternative. Wants can be satisfied. A particular wants can be satisfied. For example, a man can satisfy his hunger by taking bread, rice, fruits or sweets, etc. Then wants are differ from individual to individual. Normally wants are differ from person to person, place to place and also time to time. For example, a person like Boost but some other like Horlicks. So wants are differ from person to person. Then wants are affected by income. So individual income also affected their wants. Suppose income increases, wants also increases. But income reduces, wants also reduces. So the income is one of the most important factors that affect the human wants. Thank you.